table is full of donuts. I can see some going on in the blue team, nothing whatsoever on the red team. When I release the hounds, I can tell you one thing, they're going to be in trouble.
I think there's three great opportunities to flavor your donut. One is with the batter itself. Number two is some kind of a filling. It could be a jam, a jelly, a pastry cream. And the third is whatever you decide to decorate and garnish the outside with.
We're making a yeasted donut with apple pie filling, a brown sugar caramel glaze, candied bacon, and cinnamon cereal.
Bacon, lots of bacon.
So you need the milk?
Yeah, 2 cups of milk each.
Eugene, he thinks differently than everybody else. This donut is gonna look like a bagel. It's gonna have a beautiful glaze on top.
Perfect.
Poppy seeds to look like the top of a bagel. And inside, it's gonna have a whipped cream that looks like eggs and candied bacon.
Here we go.
For somebody who is creative like myself, this is gonna be a lot of fun.
Butter's going.
Our idea is to go with bananas and a yeast donut, a cinnamony, salty, chocolatey kind of finish.
I'm getting on bananas then. Yes, go.
Salt and chocolate is like a killer combo.
Okay, salt's done.
So many apples.
With just 2 hours before their booths open for business, speed and efficiency are crucial.
That sounds good. I like that knife skills. He's a ninja.
200 donuts, that is a lot of donuts. It takes organizing, planning, and meticulous execution.
Push it, push it, push it. You gotta push really hard now.
As each team scrambles to make 200 donuts, a crowd of hungry dog owners has assembled.
Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing.
The home cooks only have 15 minutes left to fill, glaze, and decorate their donuts.
Are you ready for donuts? All right, let's go. Let's do this. Let's go, guys.
Now, the red team haven't even started to assemble donuts.
Okay, you know?
Okay, demo. We're still missing the yolks, and we're still missing another glaze.
Yeah, can you move that?
And we still have not seen a demo of what this donut needs to look like assembled. I knew this was gonna happen.
We have a very hungry crowd behind us.
I can tell you, right now, I see the green team, the table is full of donuts. I can see some going on in the blue team, nothing whatsoever on the red team. When I release the hounds, I can tell you one thing, they're gonna be in trouble. 1 minute, get those donuts out!
We decided to forego the yolk just because we don't have enough time.
Okay, Eugene, seriously, you should have had everything prepared for quality control. Are you doing this?
Yes, I can
Okay,
do
pass
both.
it over.
Be nice, be kind.
I am so proud of my team right now. Becky recovered from that early mistake with the dough, and she's pounding out those donuts.
Can you run these up,
Yeah.
please?
Okay, you're gonna need that big bowl here.
Eugene, we need tops.
All right, dogs, tell your owners to fetch now!
Who wants bacon?
Come on, everybody over to Team Red!
Bacon!
Come on over to blue. We got plenty ready for you.
Who wants some apple pie? Come and get it. It's hot and ready.
Can I get you one? 1, 2, 10?
The dog lovers will now choose between the red team's play on a breakfast bagel with orange whipped cream and candied bacon.
Hi.
Morning.
How are you? You're so welcome.
The blue team's caramelized banana donut with chocolate glaze and banana cream filling.
There you go, sir. Enjoy.
And the green team's apple pie donut with candied bacon and crunchy cinnamon topping.
Come back for more. There's plenty.
I can guarantee this is the best donut you'll get. Perfect. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi. There you go. Please, yeah, help yourself.
Keep pushing, keep
Hey,
pushing.
how's it going? Nice tube, Team Blue.
Keep it up, guys. We have the longest line right now.
Come on up, guys. Eugene, how are we doing over there?
Hi, love your hair.
Thank you.
Which one do you like the best?
I chose the red team, and I think it's pretty fantastic.
I chose the red donut, and no, I'm not satisfied. It's not really a donut. It's more like a bagel.
Yeah, the red flavors they're really good, yeah.
Red donut is too sweet.
How about you?
I think I'm going for the green team. I really like the apple pie inside, filling inside the donut. It was warm, it was nice. On a cold day, it was good.
I'm eating the green team's donut right now. It's good, but the filling's a little much. There's like a lot of apple.
I chose the green donut, and I really like it because it's got like a really interesting flavor palette, and I really like bacon.
Try all the donuts, and the green is my favorite.
I prefer the blue.
The banana donut.
Except for the one piece of banana on there, I didn't really taste any banana.
I actually really liked the banana one. He gave it to me fresh, so it was warm still. It was nice. And the cream inside, really good.